In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy Ethereum on Etoro. So this is actually super easy, and the first thing you want to do, log into your Etoro account on your phone or on the desktop. I'm on my desktop, and what you want to do then, go to the panel on the left, find Discover and go to Trade Markets right here. So here are all the available assets that you can buy, and all the investment types are showed at the top right here. So you want to go to crypto because Ethereum is a cryptocurrency, and this brings us here where we can find all the coins available on Etoro. So we want to find Ethereum, which is the second one on the row. Then go ahead and hit buy, and you can open a trade order or a limit order through here. Then you can set the rate, but if you want to do a trade order just like this, enter any amount you want. So we can do a little bit more, a little bit less. I get this message because I don't have a verified account and I didn't deposit money. But if you just have money on your account, just enter any amount you want, for example 50, and then you can open the trade and you bought Ethereum. So that's everything you have to do. And if you want to sell it, just go to the same place, and a sell will be available if you bought it. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.